The secret behind the world's healthiest island, Okinawa. A Japanese island in the East China Sea, has historically been known for longevity, where people live longer and healthier. The Japanese archipelago is one of the world's 5 blue zones, and it has the highest concentration of centenarians, which is basically a person who is 100 years old or more. So, according to several studies, Okinawans can teach us a lot about living longer by simply following a healthy lifestyle. Here's a list of 4 secrets we should learn from Japan's oldest people. First, embrace an ikigai. Is a holistic exercise advocated in the Japanese culture for a reason to jump out of bed every morning. Number 2, eat a plant-based diet. Okinawans have been on a plant-based diet since their childhood days, which includes stir-fried vegetables, sweet potatoes, soybean, and tofu. They also observe the 80% rule, where they have to stop eating when their stomachs are 80% full. At number 3, get into gardening. Did you know most Okinawans are active walkers and gardeners? Gardening also acts as a constant source of fresh vegetables, herbs, fruits, and natural medicines. And at last, maintain a moai. The Okinawan tradition of forming a moai is all about building a strong social network and having as many close friends as possible, giving them the stress-shedding security of knowing that they are not alone.